Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can allow anyone can fill and also can have access into the Google Form. So here I've already opened a Google Forms that I want to share to the respondents. And if you want to set the Google Forms so everyone who even doesn't have an email can have access into this form, first you need to go to setting of the form. So before sharing it, go to settings and then click on the responses section, click on the arrow down, and in here there will be two options that you can that you need to change. The first one is to collect email addresses, so change these options into do not collect, so the respondents will not be required to sign in and they can just uh fill in and have access to this form. And also this one require sign in, turn this off. And after that you can just click on the send, click on the link here, then just copy this link and share it to anyone that you want. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. Bye.